Hey y'all, it's Snappee, and I was actually just getting ready for work this morning, and I thought I would go ahead and show you guys how I do my top knot. And I've been using these swirly curly snappy hair ties, which are so cool, and they've been helping me not snag my hair whenever I put it into a ponytail or to a puff, and I really love them. And I recently got this little headband that also snaps together, you guys. So it is really cute, and I thought I would just come on real quick and show you how I do my top knot bun with bangs. These are just twists and I bantu knot at the ends. I have a video on how I do that if you're curious. But yeah, let's get started. So I begin by adding Twisted Sisters Curl Foaming Pomade to my hair and brushing my hair in an upward direction. Then I use my Snappee hair tie to go ahead and wrap it around my hair to make a really taunt bun. Finally, I split my hair into two and pin it up, and then I continue to just pull on it and fluff it up until it makes a perfect top knot bun. So I take down my bangs, and while I love how curly they are, I realized I forgot to add some curl defining cream to them, and I figure I'll just try the headband to see if it works. And you guys, I love this leopard snappy headband. You should definitely get yours. I do have a coupon code if you're interested in trying this. It just spices up this style, and definitely recommend trying it. Unfortunately, I'm not really loving the style, so I go ahead and just roll it to the side and give myself a cute pomp bang. That's it, you guys. So if you're interested in trying either the Snappee hair ties or the Snappee headbands, go ahead and check the link down below. Use my coupon code for 15% off. And that's it for today's video. See you next time. Bye.